Hey there, business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs in New Mexico. Ever heard about a registered agent and wondered if you really need one? Well, you're in luck, because we are here to shed some light on this topic for you. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, a registered agent is essentially a person or business designated by your company to officially receive documents related to lawsuits, tax forms, and other important state paperwork. Picture them as the ultimate mailman for all the legal and administrative paperwork that can land on your company's doorstep. In New Mexico, every business entity that's formed or registered is required by law to have a registered agent. Why? It ensures that there's always a reliable contact point for your business. It's kind of like having a dedicated postbox, but this one's for the really, really crucial stuff. And guess what? Over 60% of businesses in the US have had at least one document misdelivered, misplaced, or overlooked in their lifetime. That's where having a reliable registered agent comes into play. They're there to ensure that all crucial paperwork reaches you, safe and sound. Here is the solution you need. Welcome to legalregistration.com. For starters, we are super passionate about what we do. Our team is dedicated, efficient, and always on top of things. And here's a fun fact. 9 out of 10 businesses that switch to us can see a significant reduction in document processing times and fewer paperwork errors. That means less stress and more time for you to focus on what you love. In a vast nation with hundreds of registered agent services, we stand tall as the #1 registered agent solution. And there's a reason for that. We are not just about receiving and forwarding documents. Our exports are all about making sure you and your business stay protected, informed, and always in compliance. So whether you're just starting out or have been running a business in New Mexico for years, consider us for all your registered agent needs. We are here, standing by, and ready to serve you. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.